Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Good morning. So we are actually on our way out the door just now. It's the weekend. I hope you guys are having a blessed weekend. We're actually running away. So we got our suitcase packed. Hubby's just packing up the car right now. So yeah, we are getting away. I'm excited. I need a little bit. We're taking a little vacay. A vacay. So yeah, come along with us to see where we are heading off. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Give thanks and praise to the Most High. You're alive and well, and healthy. And to those who are not, continue hoping and praying and having faith and be strong. So yeah, guys, you're all ready to go. What are you over there doing? This one's already excited in her celebration over here. So, and this one as usual. Look at her, selfies. So yeah, we're heading out just now. Ooh, so we are ready to go. Hubby's there, kids are there. Oh, Mash, go in. Oh my. Okay. Okay, guys. Sorry, I'm uploading a vlog just before I leave as well. I am trying to try. Oh, why isn't it stopping? Okay. There. Okay, guys. Oh. Wanna have water in here?
Yes, mommy.
Oh, I want a picture.
Let's go. No.
I want a picture. I need it for my Instagram. Oh. We are ready and we are out. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, the boys are matching. I didn't even realize you guys are actually matching you. The guys are matching. The girls, well, we're somewhat. The girls are pretty much matching because they're colors. We all got white and blue and something in between on. So yeah, I am actually currently uploading a vlog before I leave. But yeah, guys, so let's go. Let's see where this journey takes us. Hey guys, so we are on our way. The traffic is crazy. So the kids are back there just chilling like a villain. But I hope, oh man, this weekend is going to be hectic. Everybody and their mamas out, and yeah, welcome everyone, whether you're coming from the States, you're flying in for Caravana. Yes, it's Caravana weekend, so this weekend is supposed to be a lit weekend. So I know there's a lot of flights that came in, so yeah. Oh, let me. Yes. Me. Hey. Where's my backup singers? My backup singers ain't singing. They're over there on gadgets. You the baby. I know. Just remind me of everything you remind me of. Put your drinks up. Every time I link up. Think of is what they always bring up. It's sad I could have this moment for life, for life, for life. This moment I just feel so alive. So yeah, guys, I have no idea. I wonder how they managed. Somebody managed to actually put up the what do you call it? The roof. Because look how steep it is. That's so steep. That is crazy. Like guys, like traffic out here is bumper to bumper. Oh, I don't think lip gloss on my lip. It just let me look extra. I don't know if it looks too white, too shine. It just looks something off. Look at this. You got that bumper, the bumper. Maybe it's not bumper to bumper. Get famous. Hey. So we just holding Vibez in the car, still in traffic. Hope you never get famous. Girls, them are in the back. Famous. You are a shining star. I hope you get famous. Love the haters. Fake it till you make it. I guess you fake when you make it. Basic. Well, I'm basic. Yeah.
Mommy, look, just look at me, mommy. Mommy, let me show them.
I want to. Hey. Tada. Hey. Hey, sing it, girls. Put your heart up, me are the best sex dana. No fools up, no comma. Who's a hanger? Sweet. Hey. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Well, you got the best son, na na na. Tip on your toe when you're whining slow. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Well, you got the best son, na na na. Convince me. Huh? Yeah, there's a bridge. She ain't now wearing no underwear. Ah! Says she wanna.
Mom, that is
Yes, that's for that. Oh Lord. So yeah, guys, we are still in the car driving. So I'll show you guys where we are. We are on the bridge crossing over the Niagara Falls. I know it. Water.
Is it dirty or is it clean? Up here, shark out the center.
You want to go swim, Faith?
I just think the look at the shark. I will drown. I cannot.
What
swim.
sharks?
Look, no, look at those. Like, look at the horn, the shark.
You can't see no shark. It's like fresh. This is fresh water.
Go up. That's
Even though they do have freshwater shark, you mostly see them in.
Yeah, but freshwater shark in the piece of that, then we eat them. Hey, Russian.
Hey, so we holding a Vibez. It's a car Vibez. One. Hey. One. I know.
Sometimes I keep burning on the fireproof for them.
you with me on top of fuck you. But you have seven love you, but I would love to. You have to tell you who you can jump to. Mash up your thing, I can't be not jealous of you. I mean, I don't want my
That's a swim. Say less.
We are here. Oh, beautiful old buildings, old historical buildings. Look at that water. Holy. Unless you don't like your life. Oh, there is the Ferris wheel.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, a blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and